Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new video. In this video, we're diving into what is e-commerce. E-commerce, short for electronic commerce, is a revolutionary way of conducting business over the internet. It's a digital marketplace where you can buy and sell goods and services without ever leaving your computer or mobile device. It's like having the entire world of shopping at your fingertips 24/7. Now, you need to decide on what product to sell. So, when venturing into e commerce, the first crucial step is choosing what products or services to offer. Consider your passions, interests, and expertise. What can you bring to the online marketplace that sets you apart from the competition? This decision is the foundation of your e-commerce journey. Next is finding out who needs your product. To succeed in e-commerce, you must understand your target audience. Who are they? What are their needs and desires? Research and identify your potential customers' preferences, pain points, and behaviors. Tailoring your offerings to meet their demands is the key to attracting and retaining loyal customers. The last one is to organize your business. Organizing your e-commerce business involves several critical steps. First, you'll need to establish an online presence. This could be through building your own website or utilizing established e-commerce platforms like Shopify or Etsy. Ensure your online store is user-friendly, visually appealing, and easy to navigate. Managing inventory is another vital aspect. Keep track of your products, their quantities, and update your listings regularly. Pricing your products competitively is essential as it influences customers' buying decisions. Don't overlook the importance of efficient shipping and delivery methods. Offering multiple shipping options and clear delivery time frames can enhance the customer experience. Lastly, excellent customer service is non-negotiable. Promptly address inquiries and resolve issues to build trust and encourage repeat business. So, in conclusion, e-commerce is not just a trend, it's a powerful way to connect with customers and achieve your entrepreneurial dreams. It encompasses defining your niche, understanding your target audience, and organizing your online business effectively. By providing value and exceptional service, you can thrive in the digital marketplace. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching What is E-commerce. See you on my next video.